Good morning and welcome back to another lovely video. My name is Kat. If you're new to my channel, welcome or welcome back. I hope you're doing great, and if you're not, I hope that this video lifts your spirit. I just hopped out of the shower and I decided to set up because I haven't vlogged in what feels like 2 weeks. I've honestly been super swamped with work and also just taking care of my emotional health, so hence I haven't been posting. If I have to be honest, I don't think I want to post weekly anymore because it's just a lot of pressure, and just finding the balance between living, working and creating content is a bit difficult. So I'll just post on a random schedule. Right now this video is just basically a proof of life video. I'm getting ready to start my day and I just thought, you know what, let me just do a 2-in-1 vlog, catch up with you guys and share the rest of my day with you. I'm putting on my ladybug earrings that I'm so obsessed with lately. Usually I like wearing pearl-like earrings or a diamond-like earring, and yeah, these days I'm just into these ladybugs. I got these from Lovisa. They're the cutest things. I also just want to share my summer body skincare routine, from showering, face skincare and just body. I think it'll be fun. I haven't done one of these in a really long time. So to shower, because all I've been doing since I moved here was showering. I haven't taken a bath since we got here. I wash my body with pure soap because it's so like gentle, and then I like to follow up with a shower gel. This is the one that I like using. I bought this purple one recently. I usually buy the yellow one. This is the fig extract and geranium oil. It smells like flowers, fresh sweet flowers. I really like it. And to wash my face, I haven't changed. I'm still using the Hydro Boost water gel. I've had this for a really long time. And then that's pretty much it for my body skincare routine. And then for my face, I am doing like a really simple face skin in summer because my skin just feels healthy and well moisturized. It's not dry, so I like to use this Hydro Boost hydrating lotion with SPF 25, which I like because it's a 2-in-1. I'm gonna just apply it now. And then for my lips, Carmex. If you guys are OGs, you know this. So that's what I use for my face, and then it's like a one step and then I'm done pretty much. I will do like a heavy skincare in winter. For now I just think my skin is really enjoying this. And to moisturize my body, I am trying a new product. I bought the CeraVe. This is like a healthier, thick version of Aqua's cream. Doesn't have a scent. Got to love it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then my hair, these are like 4-day-old 3-strand braids turned bantu knots that I need to refresh. I will spray my hair using this I was about to say Star Soft and Free spray. This one smells really nice, and yeah, simple like that, guys. I just really like a quick, simple routine. Today I am hosting my brother and his wife. They are going to be the first guests to come visit us here since we moved. They meant to come visit us the first weekend when we first moved in, but we weren't well settled in. And then the following week they were hosting and they invited us, and it was so amazing. I'm really looking forward to hosting them. My brother is such a chilled guy. I've hosted him so many times before in the past, and yeah, he's so lovely, and his wife is like super great. So I'm really excited I want to change and go to the shops to buy food that I'll be cooking for them. I'm gonna keep my menu really simple. I thought about it last night. In fact, I wanted to prepare yesterday, but I was so swamped with work that I didn't even have time to breathe or think or do any like shopping after work yesterday. So I'm gonna do everything this morning, which is low-key stressful, but I'm not stressed because I think I like the people who I'm going to be hosting. The energy is just really lovely, so that makes me like at ease. I am thinking of making like a 3-course meal. Like, it's not going to be bougie though, it's going to like be very basic. I'm going to start off with like a cute charcuterie board with some nuts, some dry fruit, some fruit, and just like stuff on the charcuterie board. And then for the main meal, I'm gonna cook like a creamy sam with the main being beef stew. I want to cook things that I'm comfortable with, things that are easy, like sam, you just put it on a pot and it just cooks. Similar with beef stew, you just let it simmer for like hours. It's just going to make my life easier. I'm also thinking of putting chicken in there as well, like roasted chicken, but I'll see. I don't want to do like too many things. Again, I'm hosting people that are very simple. And the salads that I'd like to make is like a roasted butternut, beetroot, feta cheese salad. It's like really simple with like a green bean, maybe spinach, not sure. And then I want to buy milk tart. For dessert, we love milk tart, and I just want to introduce them to something that we like, and I think it's just nice to end the day with like a dessert. And then for drinks, I'm gonna buy Coke. Everybody loves Coke, I love Coke, but I know my brother drinks, so yeah, I'm gonna also make lemonade because it's something we love, and I just want to introduce them to things that we like, just to have like those personal touches to the dish. Yeah. I'm not gonna do a haul. I'm just gonna start cooking the beef because that's something that takes relatively long, and then I'm gonna put the samp in as well. So the worst thing that can happen to a cook that uses a gas stove is the gas running out mid-cooking. I didn't bother checking. In fact, I never check whether I've got enough gas or not. I think I just wanted to forget about it for a while and see how long it lasts. And I think it's safe to say that for people who cook almost every day, the gas has lasted us for 2 months. I'm currently buying a 9 kg now at the garage. It is currently 1 o'clock and I feel ready, honestly. I really do. I've been on my feet the whole morning and I'm a bit tired. I can't wait for them to come so that I can eat, because I did not eat breakfast. Yeah, just doing final touches now, if you will call it that. I am now going to make the roasted butternut and roasted beetroot with balsamic vinegar, feta, cheese salad with some pomegranate, and then I'm going to make a green bean Dijon mustard dressing with Roma tomatoes and obviously my spinach. And then I've just switched off the beef, then I'll just plate it here. I'll take off all the plates. Yeah, let me just get to it. In this salad, the beetroot and butternut one, it also calls for walnuts, but I'm not sure if I'm into that. I recently got new bowls from Woolworths. I like stoneware that isn't perfect. I have 2 other bowls from Woolworths as well, the beige ones that I really love, and when I saw these ones I just couldn't resist. They are so beautiful. I am starting to use them more frequently now. And then I also have this one where I'll be putting my salads, and of course you know these casseroles that I bought from Checkers. I just wanted to sit here and recap on yesterday and share with you that I got gifted this beautiful purple moth orchid flower, which I appreciate. I think my sister and I were in sync yesterday with buying purple flowers because I bought a purple bouquet that is currently on the kitchen counter, so once it dies I will move this one to the kitchen. These are also flowers that last long according to what she said, and I've been gifted these before. I just need to watch a tutorial on how to take care of them so that I can have it for as long as possible, because I do like having flowers in the house, but the ones I bought yesterday are gonna last for maybe 3-4 days at most before they die, so I'm gonna try my best to take care of this one. I'm also currently snacking on some nuts. I have some walnuts, almonds, Brazilians, and raisins. I also have a cantaloupe, which I like. It's very sweet. So yeah, I really enjoyed hosting yesterday, having guests in my home. It was really lovely. I learned that hosting is literally all about the people, making them feel welcome into your space, and obviously having food, enough food. People always need to leave your house well fed, and one of the things that I like to do is just to prepare, whether it's the day before, chopping vegetables the night before, soaking samp, chopping up the meat, marinating in preparation for them, or just doing things super early in the morning. For me, I woke up early in the morning, I went to buy food, and there's a fly that's annoying me. So where was I? Yeah, about the food. I literally just lost my train of thought. Okay, I remember now. I wanted to say that when it comes to food, I like to make sure that when my guests arrive, the food is ready or almost ready, so that I can sit and see my people. I don't want to be in the kitchen when they're just sitting around waiting for me, because I just feel like I'd be disconnected with the experience of hosting, because I'd be on my feet the whole time. So what I like to do is just cook and just like plate things, have everything out ready. I think my pet peeve when I visit other people's homes is the time you get there, the food isn't ready, and you just like don't know what to eat. You're just like waiting around. Like, let's say you get invited to a bride for 1 o'clock, you're gonna end up eating at 5 or 6, which is really crazy, but that's just the nature of brides, and I'm not mad about it. But I'm just saying, like, if you're gonna be hosting people, it's really nice for you to have people in mind when it comes to food and eating on time. I think it's a small detail that makes a huge difference in the experience of how people feel when they're in your home, something like that. So for me, it's all about like feeding people on time, and also just respecting people's times. Like, just because they avail themselves wouldn't necessarily mean that they would be here until like 5 o'clock when the food is ready. So yeah, that's just my little ramble on that. I had a good time though, really did. I'm gonna just be wrapping up the vlog here. I'll see you guys soon. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.